Can you hear that? It's raining. And when it rains in Washington, when it rains in Washington, statues seem to cry. The rain seeps from the blocks, stacked monumentally high. It drains down, turning the tidal basin to a pool of tears. Before bleach white monuments to those who once tried. When it rains in Washington, 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 the flowers bloom and bees fly. Thunder pops on occasion, lightening the sky. Gardens reek of damn mulch, the airways on our mind. When it rains in Washington, when it rains in Washington, water gets in our eyes. While parties set apart by grudges now set aside. Everyone takes to the streets, cause the roofs all leak. And it's bad luck to open umbrellas inside. When it rains in Washington, 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 the balance begins to level. The penalty of privilege and obligation become equal. The spectrum of citizens bow in colored arc, and dry consciences soak in consideration of all. When it rains in Washington, when it rains in Washington,